Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you have been using Wix, this website builder, for a while now, but you are basically suddenly going through a page not showing. Well, this problem is probably from your internet connection, a settings, or maybe a visibility in the editor. So in today's small tutorial, we're really gonna check and see how to actually fix this type of issues fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet and all of that. Go all the way to wix.com. After this, we just gonna tap on the website. Wait, let me show you the full dashboard. You just have to log in using your email address and password, all of that. It's time now to select our website. We're gonna go with this. Then we're gonna go and see our visibility settings. We're gonna open the site pages. We're gonna go into the editor. We're gonna see basically all of them. Well, basically design sites, so we can open the editor. So first thing first, we should make sure everything is saved properly. You can even basically use the preview option. You should also check the page permissions and the page settings permissions. Ensure it isn't basically restrict to any members, only when you intend it public. As you see, make sure everything's looking good. Tap on this more actions. As you see here, make sure everything is looking good. Change background, animations and the effects. Make sure everything basically is good here. Okay, check this one as well. Everything's looking good. Everything isn't deleted, so everything basically is good. See here, okay, everything is looking good also. You can also basically check this preview option. It will help you a lot once you tap preview. So basically your customers will be able to see your website like this. If you are trying to see it from mobile, switch to mobile version, and it will change automatically. Make sure everything is looking good here as well, as you see. And that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.